My Lord, sir.
Now, you've shown us the nomination form of this gentleman, in which, as I understand it, he said, I am affiliated with SIC, the registered political party.
That's right.
Then he produced the certificate, the certificate of Tehreek-e-Insaf.
That's right.
And for whatever reason, he said that if the Tehreek-e-Insaf doesn't get the bag, give me the shuttlecock, you ended up giving him the tower.
The tower, because the shuttlecock wasn't available.
Oh, yes.
वो तो minor चीज़ है.
Yes. My question to you is, why did you not apply section 67 subsection 2 to him?
A candidate, my lord, because this again brings me to the same 215 है ये.
Kindly पढ़ें सर.
जी.
पढ़िए तो सही.
A candidate nominated by Mr. 12 folder. A candidate nominated by a political party at an election in any constituency shall be allotted the symbol allocated by the Commission to that political party under the provisions of Chapter 12 and no other symbol.
So, why didn't you ask this gentleman that, look, you are saying you are nominated by SIC, you are producing a nomination form of PTI, please produce the nomination form of SIC, because that is your that is the party with which on your form you say you are affiliated, because we cannot grant you, and here is a party, the SIC, at that point in time, on 13th of January, that would have given him the certificate, presumably.
He was the chairman himself, sir.
Whatever.
Presumably तो नहीं.
Whatever.
He's the chairman.
Whatever, and we cannot give you any other symbol. Why did you accede to his request, contrary to this express provision
I
of the
can,
law?
in a lighter way, I was enforcing his Article 17 rights.
Oh, this is a very serious
नहीं, मैं a serious answer भी देता हूँ.
that the subsection 2 prohibited you from giving him any other symbol. Why did you not tell him either produce your nomination form doesn't say you don't belong to a political party, it says you belong to SIC. Whether you
Before even I could do that, he came back and said, give me shuttlecock.
But why did you accede to that request?
So, sir, because
Subsection 2
तो मैं उसको, so I should have disqualified him.
वो लेटर की डेट
Subsection
क्या है जो
2
आपने अभी
prohibits
पढ़ी
you from doing it.
डेट
सर, लेटर की
इसमें
डेट
उसने कहा है मुझे ऑल्टरनेट में शटलकॉक दे
11 की डेट है जी वो.
ये भी बताइए ना.
Sorry, I beg your pardon.
देखिए इसके अंदर देखिए वकील साहब, जो सवाल इसके अंदर बनता है वो ये है कि you had two political parties before you.
It's 20, sorry जी. It's 20. जी. नहीं 20 नहीं है, वो खत का मैं कह रहा हूँ.
देखिए इसमें सवाल ये बनता है, if you want for the time being to put aside your own order of 2nd of February, सवाल ये बनता है that you had two political parties or two sets of candidates. Here is a gentleman, his form says SIC. You would have said, well, subsection 2 says, because SIC could have given. Whether they chose to do that is a different enough, sir. But in the case of the PTI, the problem was that here were candidates nominated by PTI, but they couldn't get that symbol. Why? Because of first your order and then ultimately the judgment of the Supreme Court. The question becomes, you are saying we treat everyone as independent. My question to you is, you did have the power to do something. You could have, if you had chosen. सुन तो ले.
Sir, मेरा मतलब है, I'm understanding my lord's question. I apologize, sir.
I'm sorry.
I'm following what you're saying. My brain is saying that. I apologize.
When you do this, you are disagreeing.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry.
देखिए इसके अंदर the problem with PTI, which is distinct from the problem of this gentleman.
Yes, it is. It is distinct.
It was that the election symbol could not be given to them. Right? Now you had candidates floated by a registered, enlisted, whatever you call it, political party, who were nominated by that political party. That nomination was never withdrawn. I'm not talking of the symbol, I'm talking of the form. Who never resigned from that. I'm saying, okay, for the time being, let's put aside your order of the 2nd of February, which forced them apparently to do whatever they did, but let's put that aside for the moment. You are the election commission. You want to encourage political parties. Here is a very unusual situation where a political party cannot give that election symbol. Cannot. Why? Because of the judgment of the Supreme Court. I think that you have.
वकील हैं आप
I think you had sufficient
client
power
wants
to
to
do something
speak.
about it.
आप उनसे बात
Kindly
करें.
read
Take instructions.
Kindly read section 240 of your act.
हाँ जी रूल्स हैं. अच्छा मुझे एक्ट बता दो.
Mr. Sikandar sir, repeatedly judgment of the Supreme Court, it makes it sound that there's no law.
Where's my act?
It refers to, I said if we are going to refer to the judgment, then let's read something from the judgment.
मैं वैसे
It refers to a law.
Yes.
It was about not holding of intra-party elections.
I had the
एक
privilege
से
of
ठहर तो जाइए ना, इंटर पार्टी इलेक्शंस की बात हो रही है, ठीक है. As a consequence of this, things may happen or may not happen. Now, the election, I was going to ask you, were ever inter-party elections held?
not to the ECP's knowledge since the judgment, sir.
Yes.
Not
Knowledge के आपको बाकायदा वो फॉर्म शॉर्म करना होता है ना. तो ये वो काम तो नहीं करेंगे. इलेक्शन नहीं कराना है, जमहूरियत की जरूर बात करना है, मगर अपनी पार्टी में इलेक्शन नहीं कराना है. तो बाहर वाले तो नहीं आके लड़ेंगे ना, अंदर वाले ही लड़ेंगे ना इलेक्शन. तो पीपल्स पार्टी वाला, मुस्लिम लीग वाला तो नहीं लड़ सकता इलेक्शन. और इवन जनरल पब्लिक, यू कैन ओनली दोज विल कंटेस्ट हु आर मेंबर्स ऑफ दैट पॉलिटिकल पार्टी. So it is perpetually being said, and I take sort of this exception to it. Either a reference should be made to the judgment where it says this, it relies upon the law which the Supreme Court does not enact. The law stands still today.
it was enacted by the same political party.
वो ठीक है, आपने उसका ओपनिंग देख लें. वो तो कह रहे थे 3 साल, हामिद खान साहब की तकरीर से हमने कोट किया है ओपनिंग जजमेंट में. उनने कहा था 5 साल, पता नहीं क्या 3 साल बाद इलेक्शंस होना चाहिए. वो दूसरी पार्टीज ने कहा नहीं, उन्होंने कहा 3 साल हो, उन्होंने कहा जी 5 साल होना चाहिए. ठीक है, अब वो सारी चीजें आप नजरअंदाज करते हैं और बैट पे चलने लगे हैं. तो फिर इन अदर वर्ड्स, इफ एंड इवन आई वोंट इवन एक्सेप्ट if first of all a man should not use the term barrister with his name because it's violation of the UK law. You are an ASC or you're an advocate, you're not enrolled. ठहर जाइए ना, पूरी बात सुन लीजिए ना. ठीक है, तो अभी ये जो एक पिटीशन उन्होंने फाइल किया उसमें लिखा था चेयरमैन इज इमरान खान. ठीक है, ये सारी बातों का वजाहत है. हमारा काम नहीं है देखने के लिए कौन किसको इलेक्ट करता है. 91 पोस्ट थी PTI में. वो सारी बातें आपको बात करना है जजमेंट में पढ़ के बात करें. और ये पैराग्राफ का जिक्र करें, वो पैराग्राफ 91 में से सारी अनअपोज आए हैं. 91 में से एक ने उनकी 50,000 रुपए टिकट फीस थी नहीं जमा की. सारी बातों का तस्करा हुआ है. भाई हम आपको कह रहे हैं, आप खुद कह रहे हो इलेक्शन कमीशन को खत लिखा कि मुझे 1 साल दे दीजिए, मैं इलेक्शन कर रहा हूं. कब आप ये खत लिख रहे हो? जब आप प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ पाकिस्तान हैं. अब तो आप उनके शायद दुश्मन हो गए. उस वक्त आपने आपकी भी फराख-दिली देखिए, आप पूरे एक सेकंड ठहर जाइए, फराख-दिली देखिए, आपने भी 1 साल दे दिया. फिर ये बातें ऐसे तरीके से, सॉरी टू से, ये मैं एक्सेप्ट नहीं करूंगा. इट्स अ जजमेंट. इफ समवन हैज रिजर्वेशंस अबाउट द जजमेंट, दैट्स अनदर थिंग. और कोट फ्रॉम द जजमेंट वेयर समथिंग इज सेड, जजमेंट डिड इट, forgetting the law part of it. But there is the law of Pakistan which has been mentioned in the judgment. आपको कौन रोक रहा है भाई आज करा लो इलेक्शन, उसके बाद वक्त इलेक्शन करा लेते. I don't understand why this adamancy not to hold an election in your party. भाई ठीक है, आप कर दें इलेक्शन. अब उसमें क्या review will not change the fact that elections have to be held or not held. I don't understand. The fact is, all that is become इलेक्शन क्या लाजमी नहीं है? या तो कह दें आके पिटीशन फाइल कर दें हम इलेक्शन नहीं कराएंगे. इसी को जमहूरियत कहते हैं. डेमोक्रेसी इन योर हाउस, डेमोक्रेसी आउटसाइड द वर्ल्ड. अब हमारे यहाँ भी हमने जमहूरियत के तकाजे अडॉप्ट कर लिए सुप्रीम कोर्ट प्रैक्टिस एंड प्रोसीजर एक्ट से. हम भी कहते छोड़ो भाई, एक मैं हूँ, आई एम ऑल एंड ऑल. بھائی جمہوریت کا تقاضا تھا نا کہ نہیں 3 ممبر کمیٹی بن جائے. سو یہ دیکھیں یا کریں کہ بار بار آپ تذکرہ کر رہے ہیں, میں نہیں کرنا چاہ رہا تھا, مجھے آپ مجبور ہو رہے ہوں.
My lord, I'm sorry.